Meaning of Howard Hawks.
Howard Hawks.
Howard Hawks.
Howard Hawks.
Howard Hawks. Howard Hawks was an American film director, producer, and screenwriter who lived from 1896 to 1977. He was renowned for his versatility in different movie genres, including comedies, dramas, westerns, and film noir. Hawks directed more than 40 feature-length films and worked with famous movie stars like Humphrey Bogart, Lauren Bacall, and John Wayne. His films were known for their snappy dialogue, complex female characters, and skillful pacing. Howard Hawks' contributions to the American film industry have had a lasting impact on the art form, and he remains a highly respected figure in the history of cinema.